This is a quick and fun dessert you can make yourself using Duncan Hines Devil's Food Cake Mix. Open that and put it into your mixing bowl. Then we're going to add your oil. Then we're going to put in some Jell-O instant pudding, chocolate flavor. Then add your water and 4 eggs. Make sure that you've already set your oven to 350 degrees. At least for my oven, it's 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Be careful when you're breaking your eggs not to get any of the shell in. That's why I break mine in a separate dish, just to make sure. Those are all your ingredients, and now you're ready to mix the batter. Now, while your cake is mixing, prepare your pan. I use parchment paper a lot on the bottom of my dishes. It makes it easier to take the cake out when it's done. I use Baker's Joy to coat my pans for any cake that I'm making. Always make sure you stop and scrape the sides of your pan, your mixing bowl, and also make sure you get the bottom just to make sure everything is mixed up. Okay, now you're ready to pour your batter into your pan. Okay, and even it out in the pan. And don't forget, always tap your pan a couple of times when you get done. That will get the air bubbles out. Ta-da! It's done. Now for the good part. Breyer's Carb Smart Vanilla Ice Cream. I love it. Get a piece of your cake that's nice and warm and put it in a dish. That looks so good. Then you're gonna get a couple of scoops of your particular ice cream that you like. I use Sweet Tooth Fairy's chocolate sauce, but you can use whatever your favorite sauce is. Yum, 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 yum. And there you have it. A quick and easy dessert that anybody can make on a weekend or a weeknight, just for yourself or for your family. See you next time.